Hello, welcome our gear research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best shovels that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Radius Garden 2011 Root Slayer Shovel. The Radius Garden Root Slayer Shovel has a unique O-handle grip to increase wrist comfort and leverage while digging. The indent on the tip of the blade helps the shovel cut through roots without slipping off, which reduces frustration. The cutting power continues up the blade's sides, where serrated edges tear through tough grass or soil conditions. Longevity is another feature, with a carbon steel blade under a durable powder coat finish and a resin coat over the carbon steel handle to prevent rust. While its large steps give you more power and leverage than the typical short, lightweight garden trowel. The blade is serrated on either side. The Radius Garden Root Slayer is an awesome tool for landscapers and gardeners whose main tasks are planting and repotting, but it's still heavy-duty enough for more aggressive digging and root cutting, aka slaying. Its round, ergonomic handle and 45 shaft make it perfect for those crouching or working on their knees. While we managed to eventually see through a 4-diameter branch, our testers found it very useful to make small cuts through roots and thinner branches without needing to switch tools. Number 2, Hooyman Shovel with Heavy Duty. The Fiskars long handle again takes the cake, as the blade is welded directly to the handle, while the Hooyman comes in as a close second with its reinforced welded I-beam construction on the blade. The Bully Tools has a long ferrule, the section that connects the blade to the handle, giving it a nice advantage in the prying game. Both the Ames and the Nupla blades are fairly basic, but it would still take some serious prying to break them. For the specialized shovels, the Spearhead Spade has a long and durable fiberglass handle that's suited for prying at roots, while the Root Slayer and Root Assassin have shorter handles that flex less. They both have plastic on the end of their handles, but it is a high-quality plastic that feels more durable than the plastic hand on the Bond Mini D. Still, we don't recommend the root-busting models for anything more than light prying. The shovel's handle design also gets some scrutiny in our ergonomics metric. The majority of shovel handles over the ages have been round hardwood shafts, and though today's top models aren't radically different, modern tool makers have added a few tweaks that make using a shovel a little easier. Number 3, Fiskars 46-inch steel D-handle digging shovel. The Fiskars digging shovel features a straight design, so the blade cuts straight down into the soil with no angling. The all-steel construction means it will remain strong and durable if you take care to clean and store the shovel properly. The blade is sharp, so cutting through hard clay or matted roots is a breeze. The D-grip at the end of the handle is much broader than other shovels, which allows you to hold it in a position most comfortable for you. The handle is heavy-gauge steel that won't bend under pressure like wood or fiberglass can. The tool is best for more lightweight gardening jobs with the ergonomic design and large handle that makes moving compost, mulch, or dirt quick and efficient. It has a large foot platform, so you can really throw your weight into your digging, and a rubbery orange grip to keep your gloved hands in place without slipping or sliding. You are wearing gardening gloves while doing heavy yard work, right? Number 4, Root Assassin One-Shot Garden Shovel. The Root Assassin One-Shot Garden Shovel combines a nice amount of blade surface with sides that elevate to hold even more material with each scoop. I find the large footstep provides plenty of support to apply extra downward pressure to the shovel without fear of slipping. Using the footstep allows you to dig deeper with each scoop, so the job gets done faster. The fiberglass handle won't rust and has a high strength rating to prevent breaks. The D-grip aluminum handle helps keep your hand secure while scooping for optimal control of the load. The edge of the blade is sharp, so you'll slice right through sod, hard soil, compacted roots, and tough weeds without much of a struggle. And the rubberized D-shaped grip gives you a little bit of extra leverage when needed. This is a useful tool for moving garden debris of all types. To help cut through tough roots and penetrate into the soil, this trenching shovel has a V-shaped blade with serrated edges. This blade is made with powder-coated carbon steel, and the shovel shaft is made with durable, resin-encased fiberglass. Number 5, Tabor Tools Shovel with Round Point. Tabor's rounded shovel is another one that employs traditional design principles. Rounded blade with sharp tip for prying up rocks? Check. The D-shaped grip on the handle? Double check. Forward turn step to keep your foot secure as you dig? All present and correct. The handle is 31 inches long, making it a perfect option for gardeners around 5 feet tall. It's great for working in tight spaces too. And if you have children who want to join in with the gardening, Put them to work with this. If you're much taller than 5 foot 2 inches though, look elsewhere. You'll need to bend your back while digging, a recipe for aches and pains. The head is made of tempered steel, but the gauge isn't as thick as some. The pointed tip is handy to work beneath obstacles to pry them loose. And it's very efficient at scooping up soil. If you're looking for a shovel to dig really big holes in loose soil, this could be the one for you. If you've got a rocky garden or hard-packed soil, though, it may struggle. If that's the case, you'll be better off with a heavier-duty shovel. This is another model that uses a fiberglass shaft. It's very resilient, and we love the bright red color. Both the shaft and the shovel head have been treated to resist corrosion. That means it won't matter if you leave behind the odd speck of dirt or moisture when you've finished digging. Like, comment and share, please subscribe my channel, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.